Hello, myself Divya Thakkar. I'm working with Sufalam Technologies as a senior mobile app developer. So in this video, we will learn how we can implement auto-renew subscription in our iOS application. So in the first, we will learn how we can create subscription groups and in-app purchases in App Store Connect through your developer account. So here I have created one iOS application in-app purchase in App Store Connect. So here click in this App Store button and in-app purchases click Manage button here. You can see the screen. I have listed already created two in-app purchases here. If you want to create another one, then click this plus button. There is four type of in-app purchases: consumable, non-consumable, auto-renewable subscription, and non-renewing subscription. So as per your product requirements, in-app purchase requirement, select any of this. I'm selecting auto-renewal subscription and click on create. So reference product ID, reference name that proper add a reference name that properly describes your in-app purchase product. Add this name and this name will display in product listing while making purchase through application. And product ID is unique number for each in-app purchases. You can fetch any product details through this product ID. So for reference number, I am entering that half yearly package. So for this package is for 6 months. I'm writing this, and for unique ID, you can enter anything, any numeric number or alphanumeric or this unique anything. So I'm writing this and click on next. So this is a subscription group. I have already created my products group 1 and added two products, monthly package and yearly package. So two in-app purchases already added in this group. And if you want to create any other subscription group, then you can select this second option. So if you want that, user can purchase any one in-app purchase at a time from these three in-app purchases, then add this product in same subscription group as my products group 1. But if you want that this product can be purchased separately, then create new subscription group. So I am selecting this my products group 1. So user can switch between these products at any time. So once this in-app purchase is created, we have to select the product subscription period and price for each country and region. So this is created. So select subscription duration. I am selecting 6 months here. And if you want to turn on the family sharing, then you can start from here, and I'm clicking save. Now we have to select the subscription price. And so for subscription price, I want to select US dollar and price is 0.99 and click on next. For each region, you can update the price if you want. Then if you don't want, then scroll down and click on this create button. Once this is done, click this save button. Now if you want that for first week, user can use the subscription for free and as a trial basis, and after that this package price is built as per our price added for this product. Then you can use introductory offers. Suppose for monthly subscription package we have created, we want that for first month user can use this product at half price, and from next month the same price we have entered will start. Then also you can add introductory offers. So I am creating this introductory offer for this all countries and region. I'm selecting start date and end date. Start date is 17 January. Today's date. And as the end date, I'm selecting no end date and click on next. So there's three options: pay as you go, pay upfront, and free. So for first 7 days, means for first week, you want to give as a free, then select this free, and duration as a duration, you can select 1 week. And if you want to give this subscription for first month on a half price, and select pay as you go. Duration, there is two options, 6 and 12. I'm selecting 6 months. Price, you can select for first 6 months. We have selected $0.99 US. So for this, I'm selecting $0.49, right? And just click on next. This will create this introductory offer for this half-year package. So this will work like this. And if you want to create offer packages, then offer codes, then there is option for that also. So if you want to send redeem code to users, and by entering that, they can have perks like 1 month free, 6 months free. Then you can create this type of code in offer code sections and share generated code to your subscribers. So in offer codes, there is option. Click here, add button. So you have to select. Add the reference name, Bingo free. So yes, customer can redeem both introductory offer and this code. I'm selecting this and click on next. Select the country and regions. So if you same as introductory offer, there is 3 options. I'm selecting free, and I'm selecting duration for 1 month. And once you create, this will create 500 codes. You can use one code at a time. Give this code to user. Once they redeem this code, they can use this subscription perks for 1 month as a free. So this will work like this. So this is how you can create subscription in-app purchases. So in next video, we will see how to process this subscription in our iOS application, and how to show them in subscription listing screen in our iOS application. So if you have any query regarding this topic, then please add your query comments in this comment box. We will get back to you soon. Thank you so much.